This is going to be an unboxing of a big box. I don't know how much this thing weighs, but this is, I would say, probably, gosh, close to over 5 pounds for sure. And I'm opening it with an LT Wright GNS. And what this is a custom from Julio Diez. You might know him not only for his custom work, but also for his designs with Condor and Work Tough Gear. I think that's it. I don't think he designs for anybody else yet, or at least not that I remember, but those two for sure. Golly. All right. Let's see what we got here. I would go out. I mean, I know what it is, but you know, I haven't seen it yet. I take it out, but not only is it dark, but it's raining. So can't really go out and use it. I'll save that for another video. Because that's what they say, right? Content, content, content. All right, packing material. Packing material, packing material, packing material, packing material, packing material. Oh my gosh. Oh, sweet. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. I'm guessing packing slip. Golly, I'm just there. Okay, we got the packing materials out of the way. Where to begin? Okay, this is just the receipt. We've got, oh gosh, in a Ziploc. First off, we've got a couple stickers. I like that one. A couple stickers, sweet. Add to the sticker collection. Then we've got a shirt. Can you see? Okay, you can see. I got a shirt. That's pretty slick. Now we've got some Julio's Hella hot sauce. Oh gosh, if we open that up, we got more stickers. Stickers galore. And besides the box, we've got, oh gosh. Well, I was going to say more packing material and throw it, but there's bottles inside. Julio's Hella hot sauce, chocolate habanero, and Carolina Reaper, orange habaneros. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got to do a little bit. Wish I had something to try this with. I'm going to pause and come right back. Okay, I'm back. This isn't the best way, but I found some crackers. I don't have any chips right now. We're going to start with Carolina Reaper Orange Habanero. I like habanero. I know, it's a cracker. Shut up. I don't know how much is too much. I feel like that's like way not even close to enough. But also I don't want to, overdo it. All right. Ooh. Hello. Oh, Julio. Carolina Reaper Orange Habanero. Hello. Whew. That's got a nice kick to it. All right. Chocolate habanero. Now this is going to be interesting. I don't think I've had a chocolate habanero before. My Carolina Reaper Orange Habanero is gonna come to use. All right. It's going to be put to use. I don't want to shake it too hard and just pop that cap off. All right. That's pretty good too. Ooh, I could have some fun with these. Okay. Impromptu taste test video, I guess. Carolina Reaper Orange Habanero out of 10. I'm going to go 8.5. Chocolate Habanero out of 10, 8.25. These are really good. Those are really good. I might mess with those later. All right, on to the main event. More packing material. Woo! Hate to wonder what it'd be like if I loaded it up with that sauce. All right. There's so much to clean up. Ooh. This is packing material. All right. Main event time. A sling attached to what? A giant blade. Belt loop. Leather belt loop. That can come off. Removable baldric. It's like these handle scales with a little skull bead. Black micarta with orange liners. Now what we all came to see. Not the sheath, but these nice brass eyelets. The Hmong machete. Or not machete. I guess it's a machete. With a choil. And some oil. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Oh yeah, that is light enough, but heavy enough. This is gonna be fun. This is Nitro V and I don't know, about 17 inches long maybe. In my official video, I will give all the specific specs, but also brass pins. This is gonna be sick. So check out Julio for some stuff. He's got some cool models that he posts on occasion that are customs that are really pretty cool. That if I wasn't getting this, I probably would have got those. I think like the SR, was it SR71, SR10, something like that. That's pretty cool. Gosh, I can't remember all the few cool models that I really like, but yeah. So stay tuned. I'll have a review video. This has been a long unboxing / taste test. Remember, go outside, do a science, enjoy life, have fun. Don't cut yourself like I almost just did. Bye. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment. Check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.